Yeah. Hi everyone. So I'm Bibit Goswami and I will be host for the evening. A warm welcome to you all on our info session on Solution Challenge 2021. Hope you all are staying safe and indoors. First of all, I would like to request everyone to kindly share this stream with your friends who are interested in hackathons. Also, if you have any doubts during the session, mention them in the chat and we will address the same during the FAQ section. So today I have Pratya Banerjee, a core team member of DSC with me. Both of us will take the session. I will be starting off first and then Pratya will continue. Let's start with what exactly solution challenge is. Yeah, so Pratya is here too.
Hi
Okay,
there.
yeah. So first we have the table of contents. So here you can see like these are the things which we will be covering today. We will like first we'll give an overview. We will discuss about the prices, then the judging criteria, timeline, then learning opportunities, FAQs, and a look back into Solution Challenge 2020. So yeah, what exactly is Solution Challenge 2021? So yeah, the Google Developer Student Club's 2021 Solution Challenge mission is to solve one of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals using Google technologies. So what exactly this means is that in previous years 2020 solution challenge, the objective was to solve local problems. But this year they have taken it to a global scale. And this year they're expecting us to solve the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. You can see here, these are the 17 goals. This is the website. Here you can, like the link for this will be provided in the chat. So yeah, so here you can see the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Just if you just scroll down, you can see like these are the 17 different sustainable goals. And if you scroll more down, here you can see like the first goal is no poverty. And then there's a tag which says that to end poverty in all of its forms everywhere by 2030. So this is a detailed description of the problem. Then here are some important links which shows like why this is a important problem to be solved. So yeah, and here are some sample projects. You can look through these projects. Like this would give you an idea of this one second. Yeah. So this would give an idea like what exactly they are expecting from you. So yeah, just one second. I'm sharing the link in the chat right now. Yeah, I have sent it in the chat. Okay. So yeah, so this was about the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So coming back to the slide. Yeah. So we would be sharing this deck with you. So you can see here are some resources about like which explains the United Nations goals and everything. So nothing to worry about. We will be sharing the deck, and you can look through the videos in your own time. Because right now playing this video won't make any sense, and it would just like the session would be of too long then. So okay. So the interesting part, the prizes. So what exactly you will get from like by participating in this, apart from the fact that you would be solving United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. So yeah, the top 50 teams would receive a customized mentorship from Googlers, like which would help them to take the solution to the next level. Then after the top 50 team, like the 10 teams, the 10 finalists would receive an additional mentorship and swags from Google and a 1 year subscription of Pluralsight and the opportunity to showcase the solution to Googlers and developers all around the world. So, and there might be also a chance that your solution get published in the Google's blog. So it's a huge deal, obviously. Then the top three winners, the most important part. So the top three winners would receive a Chromebook. Yeah, a Chromebook. You can understand like how much big of a deal it is. And a coffee chat with Google executive. That's a pretty huge deal too. And a feature on the Google developers blog. Yeah, Google developers blog. You can understand. So going over to the next one, the judging criteria. So you would basically judge on two broad categories, that is impact and technology. Impact consists of 60 points and technology consists of 40 points. Okay, so yeah, so you can see there are 5 points under impact and 4 points under technology. So and each of the like the weightage of each of the point is also mentioned there. And yeah, so you can look through all of these, and if you have any doubt, then feel free to reach out to us. Going to the next one. Yeah, the 2021 timeline. So First, like the getting started one, join a Google Developer Student Club, which you guys are already are, as you guys are part of DSC. Then, okay, you need to register for 2021 Solution Challenge by submitting the form. Again, the deck will be shared with you, so you can directly click on this form and fill it up. Then you need to form a team. About the team can have maximum of 4 team members, and like there should be at least one member, like anyone other than outside of DSC also can participate, but there needs to be at least one team member who has to be a part of DSC. Okay, then you need to select United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So you have to select one goal, but you can like feel free to address more than one goals too. But okay, so next you have to do is design and build. You need to identify a solution. Yeah, if you select more than one United Nations Sustainable Goals, but you can select that, but make sure that you have only one solution. Like your one solution should address like the number of goals that are selected. Then learn and build. Obviously, like while you're building a solution, you need to learn stuffs, and then it's iterative process. You need to build and then go on and design the front end, design the back end, test your solution, and iterate like the same. Like you test a solution, you find out some bugs, again do a development, again like test it, and that's a cycle. Then coming to the submissions and judging, you need to record a demo video and submit it by 31st March. The video length can be of maximum of 2 minutes. Okay, and if your video length exceeds more than 2 minutes, then your solution will be disqualified. Then the top 50 solutions would be announced in the month of May. Then the top 50 teams would receive more mentoring. It would be from May to June. Then the top 10 finalists announced would be on the July. Then top three and winners will be announced live on YouTube in the month of August. Then yeah, celebrate. Okay, so going to the next one, overview. Okay, so Prithvi, you can take over from here.
Thank you, Devdas, for the warm welcome. Okay, so for the overview videos, so here are some videos that you can follow up to know more about this year's Solutions Challenge. And as always, as all of these resources will be shared with you on the same slide deck. And if you feel that you have any sort of doubt regarding any of this, feel free to reach out. Can you proceed to the next slide? Yeah, so the design part is broken up into 3 different chunks. The first one is the solution design one. It's on the design sprint. So you have to identify a problem, you have to define the user, and you have to find the solution. For the part two, it's on visual and product design. You have to like practice and design the whole process. And for the final part, it will be on technical architecture. It will be practicing and designing software systems.
Yeah, just to add here, you can see the links provided here. It would take you to another PowerPoint presentation, which would basically cover like in details of design sprint and each of it in detail. So you can look through that. Okay, so continue.
Yeah. So for the project showcase, we expect the wholehearted welcome from all of you guys, that you guys can showcase your builds in front of all of the world. We encourage community building and help to increase the quality and quantity of submissions for the solutions challenge. For the design sprint kit, okay, so one popular method you can use to identify your solution is an exercise developed at GB. It's formerly known as Google Ventures, called the design sprint. Usually done as a 5-day exercise, the design sprint is a flexible framework for solving problems through designing, prototyping, and testing ideas with users. It allows team to validate ideas before going through the energy of building a product. You can see there are 6 defined resources on the right side of the deck. As always, you can find all these links inside the deck. So yeah, I guess most of you guys will be participating in the 2021 Solutions Challenge for the first time. And so here are some self-paced code labs. You can follow and share the paths and or code labs to improve your skills and project. You can find the link in the chat description. Devdutt, can you please share the link in the chat?
Yeah, sure. Just one second. Yeah,
So
I'm
it
sharing
covers
it
up different
right.
technologies. It can be on Android, it can be on Flutter, it can be on TensorFlow, it can be on building Google Actions, it can be using Firebase, it can be anything. And all of these products shall be used while building a problem and to solve a problem, for the solutions challenge. And you have to at least use one of these technologies while building your solution for the solutions challenge 2021. let's proceed to the next slide. Yeah. So for the tutorial videos, you can see some more videos over here that you can see and explore. Uh, this links will be provided in the same deck, and this link can be used to like understand how things grow, how the flow it is, and how you can build some stuff, how you can execute the plan, how you can team up with your friends, and you can like all of the things will be done in a virtual state this year. So I guess it will be a bit difficult with respect to the previous ones, but yeah, so you can use this use the videos to cover up all those things and can learn the things which you want to learn. Okay, so for the online support and mentorship, you can connect with 5,000 plus students and 100 plus Google developer expert mentors on Parthian. Parthian is a platform where you can find an online community which is designed as a dedicated hub for the Solutions Challenge participant. As soon as you register for the Solutions Challenge, you will receive an email with instructions on how you can join the online community. So, what kind of things can you get with on Parthian? So you can get help with technical questions on specific Google products. You can get feedback on ideas from mentors and peers, and as always, you can get technical advice on building your project. So you can see the. You must be wondering who are the 2020 Solutions Challenge winners. So here are the top 10 winners of 2020 Solutions Challenge. You can go and check out these videos if you want to know more. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so this would be like good motivation for starting off your projects.
Yeah.
Okay, so sorry about that. Yeah.
So here are some commonly asked questions that you can look out for. If you're still having any questions, then feel free to reach to us, and we'll be happy to help. So yeah.
Okay.
So has anyone got any question? You can drop your questions on the chat, and
Yeah, I
we'll.
can see one question right now in the chat that yeah, Saif has asked to provide the form link. Okay, sure. We will provide the form link right away. Just give us a second. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. So we have provided the form link in the chat itself. You can check it out here. Okay. Okay. So Saif is asking, is there any deadline? Yeah, sure. Good question. Okay, so you can see here, like the deadline for submitting the video is on 31st March. And
Actually, it
yeah,
includes both the project and the demo video.
right, exactly. And right now, if you go to the page, you won't be able to submit a solution. Like that would open up on 1st of March. So the window is between 1st of March to 31st of March.
Yeah.
So yeah,
For now, you can go and just register on Parthian for any sort of help. There you can find experts and mentors who can help to build your project.
right. So is there any more question? No, I guess there are no more questions. Okay, so I guess yeah, that's all.
That's a wrap.
Yeah, so the main intent of this was to give you guys an idea of what exactly Solution Challenge 2021 is, and we hope to see every one of you like build cool stuffs. And yeah, so if you guys are stuck anywhere or you guys need any kind of help or anything like that, or maybe you just want to show your projects, then also feel free to reach out to us, and we would be like really happy to help you guys out. Okay, so Shopnally just asked a question. Okay, so he is asking that what is the total strength of the group? Yeah, so the total strength is four, and you need, and the minimum is two. So the team can consist of from 2 to 4 members at max.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's not mandatory that you all of you guys register from same DSC. You can team up from different DSCs, but we prefer that you do team up from DSC OT.
Yes. Yes. And like yeah, we would really be happy to see students of AOT participate in such a like in such large hackathons and stuffs.
Yeah.
Okay. And okay, so yeah, one more thing, like there is no such any kind of thing that the first year guys cannot register, the fourth year guys cannot register. So anybody in an undergraduate program can register for this solution challenge. So yeah,
Maybe we can
okay.
also hold some sort of showcasing event later in future.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. That's a good idea actually. Okay, so oh yeah, so that can be done. So if we have some projects, then feel free to like send your projects out to us and like any demo video or something, and we would be really happy to showcase that on a YouTube channel. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So there is one more question. What type of problems we have to solve? Okay, Saif is asking what. Okay, yeah. So Saif, you need to solve the United Nations 17 sustainable goals. Okay, so which are mentioned as I said here. Yeah. So these are the 17 problems, or not exactly problems, the goals which United Nations is trying to achieve by 2030. So you need to find solutions to these, and you can find a detailed description here and why these are. Okay, obviously, if United Nations is working on these problems, then obviously this has some significance, right? So you can see here also these links are there, which would tell you like why are these important and those stuffs. And yeah, so those are the problems which basically you need to solve. Okay, so do we have any more question? I guess not. Okay, okay, then that's a wrap, I guess.
Yeah.
Thank you all for joining in. It was great to have you all, and we would be like really looking forward to your builds. So yeah, stay safe and stay indoors. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.